Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tatiana and you can call me Stacks. Today I'm going to be coloring my vlogs. Finally, no more blonde. I have gotten tired of it. So it's time for a new color. But before I tell you the color, leave a comment down below letting me know what color you think it's going to be. So pause this really quickly. Let's just wait. Well, you don't even have to pause it. I'll give you 35 seconds. Go ahead, comment whatever color you think it's gonna be. Don't even try to skip the video because I will know, okay? So comment the color down below. Don't mind this around my edges. It's just a little bit of glue from my wig. I had my wig on last night. I was supposed to go out, but I didn't. I fell asleep and I woke up at the time where I was supposed to be, where I was supposed to be at. Yeah. So I'm not re-bleaching or anything. I'm just simply coloring the tips, and I'm gonna re-twist my hair, and you're gonna see, you're gonna be there. So let me just stop talking, okay? I'm gonna color my hair today, and I'm gonna be using Kiss Colors. We're gonna be using their Temptation line, and we're gonna be using the color Ruby Red. So if you guess red, you're right. You know me well. Ow. I mean, not ow, but ow. It has no ammonia, no peroxide, or sulfates, and it's enriched with argan oil, olive oil, keratin, and collagen. So those are really good. And this is a level 5 color. It's made with aloe vera water. Has instructions on the back, but you know, we don't really follow instructions, but it says to process for 15 minutes. That's all we really need to know. I have some medium-sized gloves here because I don't want to get my nails all red and and I might mix it with a little bit of Adore's Orange Blaze. If you guys have been on my channel for a while, you already know what the Orange Blaze looks like. So let's insert in a little video here. When I had my pink hair and I made orange, yeah, I use Orange Blaze. But let's get started. So I just have my hair in 2 ponytails. This is what it looks like. It's been about 5 months. It'll be 6 months on August 21st. This is what it looks like. You know, have an undercut in the back, but I'm just gonna let it grow out now because I want a full head of locks. I want to know what it'll look like if I let I want to know what it will look like if I let the back hit its maximum potential. So we're gonna let that happen. If you like this shirt, I don't got no neck. If you like this shirt, be sure to head over to iCraft Boutique. I'll leave a link in the description. I actually need to head over there this weekend so I can get me some more shirts, because like, it's pretty too much. My hair is dry, really dry. But I like that this has an applicator bottle. I've actually used this brand of colors before. Do the other side. Not gonna be right big, okay? Okay, just like that. Okay. So now that I have the color all over my head and my forehead and my ears, I'm gonna let it sit. I put it like around my edges and stuff because I had got it on my roots and it started to like get a little lighter. I don't know if it's gonna change colors or not, but to play it safe, I just put it everywhere because why not? But yeah, that's what it looks like for right now. It says sit for 15, but you know, I'm gonna let it sit for 30 because I want it to like get through the locks and color each strand, because I've watched people on YouTube color their locks and then they'll rinse it out at 15 minutes and then there's like little pieces as blonde, green, you know, it's not like completely colored, and I don't want to be that girl. So we're gonna rock the plastic cap for 30 minutes. Okay, I'll see you in 30. Okay, so it's been like 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes, maybe. Like, I got color in my glasses, I got it on my arms, so I'm about to hop in the shower, wash this out. I'm gonna deep condition it because I left it in here for such a long time, and then I'll see you guys back in the room in the good lighting with the ring light, and we'll see what the color is like. And I gotta get all this stuff on my edges from when I put my wig in, so you know, I'll see you there, not in the bathroom in the shower with me, because that's kind of personal. So definitely colored my edges where I put it without bleach, but this is my color, guys. That is all I have for this video. I'll see you in part 2, where I'll show you a few funky cool hairstyles for medium, short to medium length locks, and I'll see you guys there. Peace out. Bye.